Winter relaxes its stranglehold on the river with each breath of warm air across the faceted water. As the ice is conveyed downstream, adult steelhead trout weave their way upstream through openings in a wintergreen-colored maze. There is an inverse relationship between the presence of ice and steelhead anglers. Soon, the scales will tip in favor of anglers as they congregate here for the chance to battle with these titans. Steelhead are famous for their epic resistance and endurance when engaged. Maybe this is because, for thousands of years and for nearly as many generations, their offspring, known as smolts, have made the arduous journey of more than 500 miles from here to the Pacific Ocean. They leave in search of more productive feeding areas where they will grow larger than is possible in fresh water. After 1 or 2 years at sea, the adults retrace their freshwater path back in defiance against gravity, flow, and smoker recipes. They will spawn in or near the gravels from which they emerged to maintain their aboriginal rights to these waters. A seasoned angler once told me that steelhead fishing consists of long periods of tranquility punctuated by relatively brief interludes of chaos and panic. He couldn't have been more accurate. It is not uncommon for the number of hours spent waiting for battle to be double digits, while the number of minutes spent fighting are single digits. Patience is a virtue shared by successful steelhead anglers. What fuels them to make each cast is might. I don't mean might in the physical sense of propelling a weighted lure or line. I'm talking about the abstract idea that each cast might be the one to initiate the fight. I have fished for, caught, and studied steelhead for decades. Consequently, I have a couple of recommendations to share with novices. First, the best time to go steelhead fishing is simple. Go whenever you can. Second, there are days when the fish just don't bite. You may have scored yesterday, however, duplicating those tactics, strategies, and conditions will not guarantee success today. Fortunately, though, tomorrow presents a fresh opportunity for a rematch. When contemplating whether to return, always refer back to my first recommendation. Statistics are in your favor. My commentary would be incomplete if I didn't include a footnote about the value of just being on the river for a day. There are times when I actually appreciate not having the moment interrupted by a fish. It is during these therapeutic episodes that I truly enjoy fishing more than catching. Look for and relish these precious moments. Calling it a day and suspending the chase is always a challenge. After 4 decades of research, from her vantage point on the riverbank or in our boat, my wife has quantified the proclamation, one more cast. It means 20 more minutes of fishing will follow. She will also tell you that one tap, one bump, or one sighting of a fish within this 20-minute round is enough to reset the timer before I once again proclaim one more cast.